How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another gold mining video, and obviously this is the GoMining X Jacob&Co collab that has finally dropped. They dropped 10 pieces, or should I say 10 pieces of the collection on Friday, and 2 people within like the first 2 hours already bought 2. And they got it for a good deal because it was $40,000, but because the price of GMT was like skyrocketing today, and still is, it's up like 13% or something like that. The price of them says $45,000. I would wait for them to readjust it because obviously they're going to adjust the price to back down to $40,000. If not, it's false advertising. It's false advertising if it's $45,000 and says it's only 40, but you know, it is what it is. Because if we look at the price of GMT earlier today, I don't know who was buying, but people were just putting money into this like fucking crazy. It went from 29 cents all the way up to 33 cents, even higher, 33.5 cents. Absolutely crazy. And for the people, you know, who actually are thinking of buying this, you can choose whichever one you want. They only have 8 available at the moment. 2 of them already sold. My favorite one is this one because obviously it's got like, you know, the actual stack of Bitcoin in the bottom corner there. Actually, I'm just realizing it's not even Bitcoin, it's GMT tokens. But if you click on this, it brings you to the good information, which, you know, obviously you can claim your Jacob&Co timepiece at any time after purchase. The one thing is the wait for the timepiece is about 3 to 6 months. That's how long it takes. But look what you're getting. You are getting a literal piece of art, and you can choose international delivery. You're going to have to pay obviously customs and duties when it happens, or you can pick it up in Dubai. Not sure which might be cheaper. Some people might actually fly out to Dubai and get it. And obviously delivery is not available in certain countries like North Korea. I don't think many things are actually being shipped to North Korea. Myanmar, I think I pronounced that correctly. Iran, Afghanistan, Russia, Syria, Yemen, Ukraine, and Cuba. But one of the other things that I noticed that I didn't realize until yesterday is you can actually win one of these in a legendary Go box, which is pretty fucking insane if you ask me. A $40,000 value inside of a legendary Go box. Then again, to actually, you know, get a legendary Go box, you kind of need to have above 50,000 terahash, which is that is quite a bit of money. That's quite a bit of money, which I know a lot of people don't have, but you know, it is what it is. It's understandable. If you're going to win something worth $40,000, you better spend a lot to get it. It's not going to be like, oh, I spent $1,000 on something and now I might get $40,000 for free. That doesn't make sense. But if you entered yourself into the Dragon raffle, which is happening this week, ends in 2 days, the top prize is a legendary Go box. So you do have your chance of getting it. You do have your chance. So I'm going to come on over to the legendary box and I'm going to scroll down for possible prizes. Obviously the top one's a 5,000 terahash miner. Next one down, smaller miner, GMT tokens, another miner, GMT tokens, a miner, GMT tokens, a miner, and what do you know? A Jacob&Co timepiece plus a 1,000 terahash miner. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is absolutely crazy. Now, let's actually just take a look on the news for the Epic X Go Mining. It says orders now available on the Go Mining marketplace. The pre-sale is live. That means they haven't put out the full collection yet. It's on pre-sale. So, Epic X Go Mining brings together 2 worlds rarely connected at this level: Swiss mechanical watchmaking and real Bitcoin mining infrastructure. Created in collaboration with luxury watchmaker Jacob&Co, Epic X Go Mining pairs a Swiss-made Epic X timepiece with a 1,000 terahash Go Mining digital miner. Each piece connects physical craftsmanship with active Bitcoin mining, linking a mechanical object you can wear with real computing power running in Go Mining's data centers, obviously kind of around the world, but mainly I think they just have them in the US right now. Following the official launch of the collection, Epic X Go Mining is now available to order through the Go Mining marketplace. Each Epic X Go Mining bundle is offered at a total retail price of $40,000. Obviously, we saw it before. These prices, look, it actually just dropped. It was just above $45,000 and now it's just below. So I'm assuming they are adjusting the price. You know, once the day resets, the price should also reset. I would hope. If not, again, false advertising saying something's $40,000, but it's $45,000. But then again, you're getting a luxury craftsmanship watch, Swiss made. Those are the highest of quality. Highest of quality is a Swiss made watch. And right here, here's the good stuff. We have also added Epic X Go Mining to VIP Legend Go boxes, which gives everyone a chance to get it. Don't forget that Legend Go box is inside of the Dragon box that you can win in the raffle. Like I said, if you enter into the raffle, the person who wins that top prize, they're going to get a legendary Go box. That means they have a chance of getting that miner. Obviously, it's very, 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 very low chance, but it's still there. It's still there. The collection is limited to 100 pieces worldwide and will be officially showcased at the Go Mining booth during Consensus Hong Kong, February 10th to 12th, 2026. It's the 8th today, so in 2 days. Visitors can view the timepieces at the booth and place an order on site. One Epic X Go Mining bundle will also be raffled during the event. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. To take part, join the Satoshi Games at our booth and collect raffle tickets. The winner will be selected selected on February 12th. That's pretty cool. So anyone going there, I would enter into that raffle. I would enter in. Also, if you are there, please post some pictures of the watches. I would love to see them. I would love to see them. The Epic X Go Mining Bundle. Each Epic X Go Mining order includes 2 tightly connected elements. The Epic X Go Mining timepiece, a 44mm Epic X timepiece crafted in black DLC titanium, featuring a open-worked hand-wound movement. The architecture carries Go Mining branding and Bitcoin-inspired pattern, reflecting the collaboration at a mechanical level. Every time I close my eyes, I can just see it. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And a 1000 terahash Go Mining digital miner. Real Bitcoin mining power operated in Go Mining's global data center infrastructure. Once purchased, the miner becomes active immediately and can be monitored directly in the Go Mining app with Bitcoin rewards credited daily, net of service fees. Obviously, we know that. We know they take their service fees plus the electricity fees, so you don't have to worry about that later on. And of course, how does the Epic X Go Mining orders work? Epic X Go Mining follows a digital-first order flow that lets you start mining immediately while your timepiece is crafted. I already told you guys it takes about 3 to 6 months to craft them. Remember, it's all done by hand. It's put together by hand. A total of 10 Epic X Go Mining packages are available on the Go Mining marketplace as part of the release. Well, currently there's only 8 because 2 were bought instantly. Those lucky fuckers. Epic X Go Mining will also be included in Legend Go boxes for users with VIP levels, Legend 1 and above. Obviously, Legend 1 to 5 and Elite. So that means you have to have anywhere from 50,000 to 1,000,000 terahash. And I'm not even joking. I already showed you guys this, but look, Legend 1 is 50,000 terahash all the way up to Elite, which is 1,000,000 terahash. That's a lot of fucking money. At the moment with their discount that they just put on, just to get 5,000 terahash is like $78,000. I don't think a lot of people, have $780,000 to get 50,000 terahash. And if they do, I'm pretty sure they just have enough money on the side to just purchase a Jacob&Co watch normally. When you order Epic X Go Mining through the Go Mining marketplace, you begin by purchasing the 1,000 terahash digital miner. The miner becomes active right away and starts earning Bitcoin just like any other Go miner. They've mentioned this like 3 or 4 times. We get it, guys. The miner is activated immediately. Thank you for telling us 5 times. Once your miner is active, you can book the physical Epic X Go Mining timepiece and choose your preferred delivery option. There are 2 delivery options available. Pick it up in Dubai. I mean, some people might actually choose that just so they can go to Dubai. That would be pretty fucking cool. Or international delivery where available. Epic X Go Mining timepieces are crafted by Jacob&Co at their Swiss factory. You shall expect your timepiece in April or May, depending on Jacob&Co production schedule. This order structure allows you to participate in Bitcoin mining immediately while the timepiece itself is crafted. Yes, we get it, guys. You'll be mining immediately. I don't know why they're repeating this so many fucking times. International delivery is provided free of charge. Any applicable custom duties, VAT, or local taxes are handled by the buyer in line with local regulations. Just like most things, if you're importing it, you gotta pay some customs, some duties, a little bit of taxes on it. It is what it is. For regulatory reasons, delivery is not available in a small number of jurisdictions, including North Korea, kind of fucking obvious, Myanmar, Iran, Afghanistan, Russia, Syria, Yemen, Ukraine, and Cuba. I mean, some of these make sense, like North Korea. I'm not really sure what's going on in Myanmar. Iran, I know stuff isn't good there right now. Afghanistan, I honestly have no idea. Russia, that doesn't even really make sense unless it's just because, they're having a feud with Ukraine right now. Syria, yes, that makes sense. Yemen, that really makes sense. That country's kind of been poo-poo for a while. And I don't mean poo-poo in a bad way. I mean civil wars continuously. Ukraine, that would make sense. I don't think the delivery driver wants to be killed. And Cuba. I think Cuba, most countries just aren't a fan of it for some reason. Pickup in Dubai remains available as an alternative option. After your claim is submitted, the Go Mining team will contact you directly to complete the handover process. In addition to the marketplace pre-order flow, Epic X Go Mining can also be ordered by speaking directly with the Jacob&Co team or through Go Mining's VIP support. This option is intended for collectors who prefer a more guided ordering experience and want to discuss availability or logistics directly. Now, I believe if you have 500 terahash or more, you are on Go Mining's VIP support, which I personally am, and I know this because if you come over here, Platinum Level 1, 500 terahash, VIP support, and special offers. So, I would love to get it, but the one problem is, they don't have a selection for credit cards or line of credit or anything of the sort. If you want to purchase one of these, look, the price is back up above 45,000, obviously. If you want to purchase one of these, it is with crypto only. It's with crypto only. So that's a little bit unfortunate because, you know, I was really looking forward to possibly getting one of these. But if it comes to it, because if anyone's been on GoMining recently, we can see that my prediction was correct, that they are going to lower the price by some more percentage. And of course, 24 to 27%. So I am really considering purchasing a 2560 terahash miner for as little, funny enough, for as little as 41,000 USD. I would love to do this, and I most likely am. So, you know, be prepared for that. Be prepared for that video, everyone, because it will be coming pretty damn soon, probably. But other than that, that is today's video. It is of this beautiful collection. And hey, there's still 8 available. So if you have the cash, if you have the coin for it, I would get one of these. Well, you can before all 8 have been purchased. Then again, this might take a while for them all to be purchased because there aren't that many, you know, big boy ballers. Some people are. Some people love Jacob&Co, especially because, you know, they have done collaborations with Bugatti as well. They have their Chiron watch, their Veyron watch. It's just a beautiful piece of art. Just look at that. Just look at that. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So we'll see you guys soon. Take care. And for anyone going to buy this watch, please take pictures and send it to me. I would really appreciate it. I would love to see this thing functioning. I would love to see the hands move on this. Ah, absolutely beautiful. So take care, guys. We'll see you soon. And of course, if you haven't started mining, referral link will be down in the description below. You can earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. And if you currently are mining Bitcoin, I highly suggest you take advantage of the 23% off discount for miner upgrades. There's no better time to upgrade than now. Same thing as there's no better time to start mining because you can literally get started for as little as $18.99. The previous price was $24.99, but you can literally get started for just under $20. Just under $20. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Best indicators in the world. MarketCipher trading, trade like a bot.